BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 75 of season 3. Today's word is judicious. The meaning of judicious is done with good judgment, wise, sensible, or practical and thoughtful. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word judicious. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Judicious is spelled as Judicious. The word judicious is used to express something which is done after proper thinking and is practical or sensible. For example, we may say that Rupesh took a judicious decision of becoming a psychologist since he was always curious about the human behavior. Well, wasn't it easy to understand the word judicious? Listen carefully how we can use the word judicious in 8 different situations, in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Mr. and Mrs. Mahajan hosted a party for guests on the occasion of their 30th wedding anniversary. The arrangement was lavish and guests appreciated the judicious selection of food and beverages. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. Messrs. Precise Tools received quotations from different agencies for the attendance management software. After carefully comparison, the purchase manager judiciously awarded the contract to the most experienced agency. Moving on to example number 3 of 8. The youth sports organization had raised funds for celebrating the festival of Holi. However, few days prior to Holi, a massive earthquake hit northern India. Hence, the organizing committee took a judicious decision to donate large part of collected funds to Earthquake Relief Fund. Wow, wasn't it noble on their part? Moving on to example number 4 of 8. Brandon was at the city mall and he noticed a discount sale at an electronics store. He studied the various discount offers and judiciously purchased a washing machine. We train English learners in vocabulary development in our advanced English fluency course at our training centers in Mumbai. But don't you worry, if you don't stay in Mumbai, we have an online English fluency course for you too. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Mrs. Pandey had to select between a Hindi or English medium school for her daughter. After visiting the schools teaching both the languages, she judiciously chose the Hindi medium school. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. Do you agree that long hours of work without any break can cause health hazards? There is a consensus among doctors that we must have a judicious balance between work and recreational activities. Don't you agree with that? Let's understand example number 7 of 8. Hundreds of flights operate from a busy airport round the clock. But the airport also needs regular maintenance. A judicious planning is needed for maximizing passengers' comfort. Example number 8 of 8. Mr. Bose was the only earning member in his family. An insurance advisor explained him the importance of life insurance. Mr. Bose browsed through various plans available and judiciously opted for the most suitable plan for himself. Today we learnt the word judicious, which means done with good judgment, wise, sensible, or practical and thoughtful. Now quickly frame 3 sentences from judicious and type in the comments box. We are waiting. We are sure This lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 75 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned just for you. Kindly note that we will be sharing one vocabulary episode daily at 6 am Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.